Helo! Dwi yn effing lyfio rally games. Oh, helo King Kong Small Dong. Ti angen newid enw yna i Twitch di. Dwi ddim dwi'n bach o music o Simpsons y can na Daily Top o ni. Ia, dwi'n coelio chdi. Dwi'n coelio chdi fan'na. Ia. Ni bod. Dwi'n mynd i chwarae rally games. As you do. So, dechrau. Dwi'n mynd cofio to dwytha i fi chwarae gem yma. Rwy'n dal yn y chat. Be ddylai fi ddewis? Dyma. Gwybod hwnna di'r proper choice. Dwi'n gobeithio fod bod dim yn swnio'n iawn. Dim cheats, dim unlock and bird. Season. Zed, dar diwedd, os mae'n cool. Chdi efo hwn ar y PS1. Welcome to New Zealand. Ideal hot. Guaranteed mae ti'n dry grooved. Na, dim esgot. Bad choice. Dim esgot. Itsabushi Lancia. Early morning catches the fish.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Over crest.
Dwi'n assume fydda just yn really da yn hwnna.
Right into 3 left.
That's the plan.
4 left. Square right, don't cut fence. 1 left. 4 right. Long 5 left, tightens, over crest.
Nes i ystyried chwarae toca touring cars. Ond dwi hwnna heb di...
Over bump.
Hwnna heb di...
1 right.
Beth o'n dda iawn.
1 left, over crest, into square right. Square left. Gear bank. Long 3 right, tightens, don't cut.
Rest in peace, Colin. Yeah.
Over
The
crest,
ages o sef ar wan. Mae'n nuts.
over crest, into 1 left. 1 right, into 1 left, into 2 right, opens.
Ni absolutely lyfio Colin McCrae to fyny.
1 right. 3 right, don't cut, into 1 left, into 1 right, don't cut. 1 left, into 5 right. Over jump. 4 left, over crest, into long 2 left.
O, na.
Long 4 right. Over jump. Over jump. 3 right, into 2 left. Long 2 left, tightens, into 3 left. 4 left. 2 left. Square right. Square right. Over crest, into 1 left. Caution, water splash. 2 left. Over finish.
How come nes dim trio Richard Burns Rally. Ti'n gwybod be? Richard Burns Rally, de? Ydy'r gêm rally mwyaf poblogaidd ar hyn o bryd. O bellbar. Mae'r modding scene wedi newid y gêm na i rhywbeth insane. Dwi'n meddwl mwy o pobl chwarae modded Richard Burns Rally na Dirt 2, dwi'n meddwl. Ti'n nuts. Dwi ddim yn cofio. Rally 2000? Dwi ddim yn ceir 2000.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Over jump.
O, fi orffen hwn, de, fydda i chwarae Call of Care 2, de. A i fi, hwnna di fatha golden era rally cars. Focus, Impreza, Lancia 6, Corolla, 206. What a time to be alive.
Square right. 3 right.
Okay.
1 left, gear ditch. Over crest, into 2 right. 1 left. Gear 5 left, tightens. 1 right, into 1 left. 2 left. Over crest, into 1 right. Over crest, into long, hairpin right, gear rocks. 4 left, into long, 5 right.
Sbia cool hyn, ddo.
3 right.
PS1. Efo
4 left.
tu fewn y car. Granted, mae'n edrych o shit, ond
3 right.
waw.
3 left, don't cut. Over crest.
O, crap.
1 left, over crest. 2 left.
Ah, sneb wedi stuck
2
hwnna.
right. Gear bank. Over bridge. Long 3 left. Over crest, into 1 right. 4 right, into square left.
Dwi'n cofio sef y championship. O, na! Na!
Long 3 left.
O, na.
3 right, gear bank. 1 left, into 2 right.
Ella di Colin McKay,
Right, over crest.
gêm ralio ddim yn best choice o game i streamio, da.
1 right.
Oh, I got this.
Over crest, into 3 left, gear bank. 2 right. 3 left. 5 right, opens, into 2 right. 3 left. 2 right. Long 3 left, tightens, into 4 left. Tight
Dwi'n
hairpin
meddwl
right.
yn PS1 game, de. Yndw, dwi'n ymwybodol edrych y crap. Dwi'n meddwl, mae chwarae'n rili da. Yndw, dwi'n rhedeg ar retrac. So, mae o yn... Mae'n rhedeg ar 8 times internal resolution. O, ti'n mynd i gweld hwnna. Yeah, so mae'n 8th time internal resolution. Efo lot o... Yeah, stuff on. Yeah. Dwi'n mynd gweithio i bob dim PlayStation. Mae hwn yn neud eich yn dda. Commanding lead fyny y ffrant hwnna. Yes. Ond ie, mae o'n... Retroc yn ei job rili da, efo hwn. Dwi'n mynd i job cystal efo tŵr o, yn peth. O'n i tempted i chwarae gan twsmo tŵ a tynnu'r licensing. Licenses a hwnna. Ella na hynna wedyn. Gweld. Glaw.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1 right. 5 left into 2 left.
It's horrendous na.
Long 3 right tightens into 5 right. 3 left. 3 right. Square left. 2 right into 3 left. Over crest into square right. 5 left. 1 left over crest into 2 right. 4 left opens.
Na, so dim ray tracing na fo. Ond, nes i tra chwarae
Square left. 2 right.
Minecraft efo ray tracing da.
Square right.
Mae o'n impressive ray tracing. Ond mae o'n neud 2070 Super fi.
Into
Swnio fatha jet engine da. GPU fi. So dwi'n really werth o.
caution. Square right through narrow gate. 4 right.
Ti'n gwybod beth? Di hwn ddim yn edrych yn drwg iawn efo'r holl bells and whistles ydi.
Tightens into square right through narrow gate. Square right.
Dwi'n meddwl fod oedd Retrac efo bells and whistles ddim yn really i wneud job da efo Metal Gear Solid o'n i'n meddwl da. Efo hwn da. Mae'n
Square right.
reit cool.
Square left into square
Oh.
right through narrow gate.
Oh my god.
4
No, oh my god.
2 right. Over bump. Over crest into 3 right. Over crest into 2 left.
Oh, just, nes i'n hitio byd, oedd just
Over
troi fi
crest
rownd.
into 2 left. Over bump. Gear bank. Long 5 right. 4 right. 2 left. 3 right. Long 5 left. Long 3 right. 1 right. 2 right. 2 right over jump. 4 right into 1 left bump. Long 3 left tightens into 5 left. Square right. 2 left. 4 left. Over crest. 1 left. Long 4 right. Long 2 left. Over jump. Long 3 left tightens.
Oh, mae na sŵn. Sorry, nes sbio wan, pidio. Big win, big win. Hey, hello, Twki NL, gweithio chi'n iawn. Dwi'n mynd i'n hygr bach, yn mynd am halio, so ni'n meddwl bod ni'n hitio'r ta... Ie. Mae'n neud sens, ddo. O, dwi'n lyfio o Rally Games, hwn o'n i chwarae mwyn yn byd back in the day. Beth handi efo'r Retrac, ti'n gweld bob un pixel yn iawn, dweud. Hei. O, it's okay. Iawn. Stage 4. Dwi'm yn cofio yn y stages sy'n neud bod blad o hwn. Hyn di beth dwi'm yn cymryd eto ac ydi... Dim os fi dangos. Mae'n neud stwff syth. So sbio ar y dde fan'na. Mae lle allan gyd fod yn syth. Ydi o ddim.
One right. Two right. One left. Don't cut. Three left. Two left. Over crest. Square left.
Mae'n nuts efo lot o games rasio PS1 wedi heneiddio. Just the Codemasters are cool.
Right edge. Four right.
Ti'n o'n i am siarad am F197.
Over jump. Over jump. Over crest. Into one right. One left.
Hwna di'r un da, de, a F198 di'r un crap,
Square
de.
left. Don't cut. One left. Square right. Opens into long five right. Gear post. Over crest. Into square left. Into four left. Gear edge. Gear post. Two left. Into two right. Don't cut. Long three right. Caution. One left. Over crest. Into two right. One left. Long three right. Tightens. One right. Into two left. Long four left. Into four left. Over crest. Square right. Gear bank. Over crest. Into two right. Left. Over jump.
Right. Oh my god.
Over jump. Over crest. Into five.
So rhywun yn y chat wedi bod yn New Zealand. Allai nhw confirmio bod fel hyn mae New Zealand yn edrych fel. Lot o dwi'n meddwl am New Zealand, hyn dwi'n meddwl amdan.
Over jump. Over bridge.
Mae'n nid pixelated na.
Gear bank. Four left. Over crest. Into three right. Into one left. Over crest. Into long two left. Square right.
O, gwyd, climb cael y lôn wedi fan.
Over jump. Into one right. One left. Over crest. Over jump. Over finish.
Woo! Ia, F198 yn awful, yndi. Echo machines. Mae'n y PS1 version, does? Boss Challenge. What a game. Am game, ie. So be, neu wel sy'n mwyd ydw i, os mae'n dal lot o stages o hwn, illa neu just symud. Oh my gosh, o fwy o stages. O'n i am the championship mod ar hwn i gyd. Dwi am chwarae game rasio arall ar hwn, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n meddwl fi just streamio Colin McRae 1. Bach yn too much.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Long 3 right. 2 left.
O'n i'n meddwl hwn ond o fatha 4 stage.
2 right. Over crest. Tightens. Into long 2 left. Bank. Over crest. 2 right. Over crest. Tightens. Into 3 right. Long
Ooh,
3 left.
run.
One left. Long 3 right. Tightens. Gear edge. Into 4 right. 3 left. Caution.
Ond
3 left. Into
fel
5
game dwi
right.
wedi chwarae ers 5 mlynedd. Mae hwn yn teimlo'n really da. Rhaid fi ddeud i chwarae.
Gate. Caution, 4 right, tightens, through narrow gate. 4
Gyda fi fwy o...
2 left, over bump.
Gyda fi fwy o brofiad efo... Oh my god, beth eisiau fanna.
Long
Gyda fi fwy o
3
brofiad o
right,
Colm K2 na Colm K1 i ddeud y gwir. Ond... O'n i wastad fel Colm K1 crap.
2 left,
Ond... Na. Dwi yn... Positive surprised.
3 right, 1 left, through narrow gate, into 2 right. Over jump. 2 left, into long 2 right. Care ditch, into 1 left, tightens. Care ditch, into long 2 right, tightens.
Oh my god.
Long 3 left. Care bank. Over crest. Care 5 left, tightens. 1 left, into 2
Damn.
right.
Ooh.
3
Sorry.
left, over crest. Square right.
So, os di rhywun efo awgrymiadau. Dwi'n meddwl dwi'n efo rhan mwyaf
1 left. 1 right.
o'r games rasio
Left. 3 right. Open.
adnabyddus PS1, PS2. Oh my god.
Left. 1 right. Over crest.
Sbio ar y draw distance na.
Three left. Over finish.
Woo! Ebw fel oedd y co... Be? O ia, Gymru mae'r boi'n siarad. Nicky Grist. Had a Google Nicky Grist. Cos, dwi'n lyfio Nicky Grist, ond mae politics o bach yn dodge. So, ignorance is bliss. Ma'n nhw'n gorfod yn stage ola wan, stage 6. Ie, yeah, dwi'n mynd i wneud championship yn hwn. Na, dwi'n mynd chwarae Juice, dwi'n mynd chwarae games rasio da. Dwi'n gynna fi.
4,
Y Juice dwi'n gynna fi.
2, 1, go. 4 left opens. Long 3 right tightens. Into 5 right, don't cut. 3 left over crest. 4 right tightens over crest. Long 1 right. 2 right into 2 left. 3 right into long 4 left.
Ah, kom, zit het jou, zit het jou.
2 left. 5 right tightens. Long 3 left tightens into 4 left.
Oeh.
1 right. 3 left. 1 left. Caution 5 right into long 4 left tightens.
Oeh, she.
Square left into tight hairpin right. 4 left. Over crest. Over jump. 4 right. Square right opens into 2 right.
Be,
Hairpin
hwn yn
left.
teimlo fatha... Dwi efo car go iawn efo controller.
1 right. 5 right. Over bridge. 5 left. Caution, square left through narrow gate. Long
Oh,
3 right
no, no,
tightens.
listen.
Long 3 left. Over jump. 1 right, over jump. Caution, tight hairpin right through narrow gate. Long 1 left.
That's not the wrong way, fyna do.
1 right. Care woods into long 3 right. 3 left.
That's it.
Over bump.
Bump.
Long 2 right. Long 3 left. Gear bank. Over finish. Fantastic, we did it!
We did it. Nah, it was same steering wheel. We were PS1 controller mod for that. Dwi ddim yn chwarae Juice. The Juice is off the table. Dwi'n mewn juicio. Dwi'n clean rally driver. Dwi ddim yn juicio. Yeah, dwi'n meddwl i'r rest yma, so... Ond, ty be? Paul McRae 1. We did it. Mae hwnna wedi... Dwi'n pleasantly surprised. Efo hwnna, rhai i fi dweud. Ty be? Rhai i fi. Rhai i fi. Sut ti efo resolution? Sut ti efo resolution gwahanol? Et. A met, dwi'n golygu column K2. Dwi am mynd mor bell i ddeud, de. Efo nostalgia goggles, de. Hwn ydy'r gêm rasio gorau fi erioed. Hwn. Dwi'n meddwl fod o'n top hw fi yn unrhyw gêm erioed. O, mae fucking bits bach o fanna yn nwyo fi. Dwi'n mwy competitive yn hwn. Dwi'n mwy competitive yn hwn. Dwi'n meddwl de, allai gyrraedd rhywun on. Allai gyrraedd rhywun on yn gêm yma. Sim Race yn cyrraedd fi. Dwi ar y ffordd fyny. Hard. So, challenge mode i hwn, lle ti'n neud figure 8 track. Home event fi. Hard. So, knockouts, mae hwn yn knockouts. T'w random car bob rownd. Jones versus Pooh.
3,
Seat Cordoba.
1, go!
Diolch o hwn yn hard mode.
Into jump. And 2 left. 30 on tarmac and 2 left. 106 left, tight. 32 left on the gravel. And jump Nathan and 5 right, tight. 33 left on the tarmac. 55 left on the gravel. And right into 2 left.
Dwi'n chwarae yr US version hynna pan mae co-driver yn
33
American.
right into 3 left. Into 2 left on the tarmac.
So, Colin McRae Rally 2 di hwn.
105
Mae hwn
left
yn
on
un
the
o'r
gravel.
top 5 greatest racing games of all time. Yn braf.
33 left into 3 right. right.
Speed fast. Hold on, fast. Oh, next round. Crayon Douglas. Mae hwnna'n amser rili da.
3, 2, 1, go. 72, right. Into jump.
Oh, na.
And 2 left. 30 on tarmac and 2 left.
Should we start the challenge?
106 left, tight. 32 left on the gravel. And jump maybe, and 5 right, tight.
Dan ben we gewoon een akkas.
33 left on tarmac. 55 left on the gravel. And right into 2 left. 54 right. 33 right into 3 left.
Wat is dat? Oh, cap.
Into 2 left on tarmac. 105 left on the gravel. 33 left into 3
Oh,
right.
cap.
Into 5 left on tarmac. 35 left. 30 on the gravel. 33 left. 72 right.
Semi-final hogia. Nath na Lloegr yn y ffwtsbol. Mynd y semis. O, mae gêm yn chwarae mawr. Tysot. So, yn fama wan, hyn ydy un o'r problemau efo'r beefio fyny PS1 games efo'r retrac. Mae hyn yn fod yn boxes hollol sgwar. Ti'n gweld bod nhw'n bach yn weird ac yn clumped. So. Mae Cray allan. Mae Cray allan. Y Lugas na di'r un dwi'n poeni amdan. Fe drwad.
3, 2, 1, go. 72 right. Into jump. And 2 left. 30 on tarmac and 2 left. 106 left, tight. 32 left on the gravel.
Oh, shit.
Right, tight. 33 left on tarmac. 55 left on the gravel. And right into 2 left. 54 right. 33 right into 3 left. Into 2 left on tarmac. 105 left on the gravel. 33 left into 3 right. Into 5 left on tarmac. 35 left. 30 on the gravel. 33 left. 72 right.
Woo! Roedd i'r ffeinal. Meant to be. Bydd yn dreifio. Super yn pretsa.
3, 2, 1, go. 72 right. Into jump. And 2 left. 30 on tarmac and 2 left. 106 left, tight. 32 left on the gravel. And jump maybe, and 5 right, tight. 33 left on tarmac. 55 left on the gravel. And right into 2 left. 54 right. 33 right into 3 left. Into 2 left on tarmac. 105 left on the gravel. 33 left into 3 right. Into 5 left on tarmac. 35 left. 30 on the gravel. 33 left. 72 right.
What a time! What a time! Replay. Pooh. Pooh, you have won the challenge. So, I'm gonna take off. Yeah, that's gonna be PS1 wise. Let's have a look. Ond gymer eisiau heddiw. F1. O. Gwybod? Alwch efo fi am un eiliad. Dwi am. Next one on warning. I'm the warning. Nee, rhywbeth dwi. Ystwch fi. Ydy hwn gall... So, select. Dwi ddim yn siŵr os dwi'n mynd i weithio fan. Gawn ni look. Ddim siŵr.
Codemasters.
Codemasters. Codemasters. Yes! So, da ni chwarae lle 1. Da ni chwarae Colmacare 2. Mi stroli'r ddau yna. Wan dwi'n chwarae Colmacare 3 ar y PS2. Not smooth. Totally. Llefydd Cymraeg, sbio. Llangurig. Llyn Clwyddog. Rhaeadr. Ah! One, oh yeah, the access code, the hwn. Yeah. Uh-huh. All cars, yes. All tracks. Sgynna fi ddim gymaint o profiad efo'r gêm yma. Hey, iawn. Dwi'n jyst yn chwarae lot o Colin McRae heddiw. Ydy vibes heddiw. Sian chofio, sy'n mwyn ceir hwn. Stick hwnna. Da ni'n mynd i Llyn Clywedog. Ie? Dwi'n chwarae Colin McRae 1 yn barod a Colin McRae 2. Dwi'n yn gwybod faint dwi'n cael gla yma da. A dim...
And long 6 right, 30. 6 left over jump, 30. 6 left over jump, and bumps. And long 6 right,
O, dwi'n cofio fod
and
y
jump,
sain hwn yn bach yn
30.
crap.
Care 6 right, and 6 left over crest. And 6 right. And 6 crest, into 6 left.
Oh my god.
And 4 left tightens. Into 3 right over crest.
Dwi'n anghofio faint o awful sain y gem yma. Dy hwn ddim yn... Dy hwn ddim yn teimlo mor dda a...
And 6 left. And 4 right tightens.
1 or 2. Mae o'n rhy snappy.
And 6 right tightens to 4. And 6 right. Narrow gate and turn 5 right.
So be, oedd hwnna ddim yn teimlo'n dda iawn. Ein gyda lai, dwi'n meddwl hwnna'n teimlo fatha crap. So, da ni ar column y C3 ar hyn o bryd. A oedd hwnna'n teimlo fatha yn crap. Dwi'n meddwl un stage arall iddo fo, a dwi'n symud ymlaen i column y C4. Bach yn... bach yn siomedig, a ni'n meddwl sy'n ni'n... Dwi'n meddwl Porsche Challenge gynna fi stitch i ddyd. Wyt fi cael look yn y cwpwr, wyt fi fynydd? Wyt fi cael look o'r yn cwpwr games fi yma. Disgwyl chydig bach. O, dwi'n newid ffindio fo yn... Dwi'n newid ffindio fo'n cwpwr fi. Mae gennym fi games PS1 fi gyd wrth ben fi fama li. So, dwi wedi ffindio fo yma li. So, na i jyst reid yn fewn i PS1 fi wan. Disgwyl yn lwytho. Ond, be? Dwi'n rhaid 3 column y creu wan. Heddiw. 2, di gora. Wedyn 1, a wedyn 3. Ond i'n siomedig uffernol fo hwnna. Dwi'n mor siomedig de. Bang. And the dirt is gone. O'n i'n... Na, o'n i ddim yn pleased iawn efo hwnna. So... Did the sound. Bang. And the dirt is gone. So, gyda fi 2 column y creu arall i wneud... O, dyn eich chwarae Porsche Challenge. Which gyda fi ddim profiad efo. Fydd yn holl onas fo chdi. Yep. Beth y boen am Police Academy. Anyway. Should we get a look? So, yn agor. Bwt legit PS2 fi'n bwtio fyny. Mae gen i fi set-up PS2 i chwarae hein, de. Ond... O. Mae'n just mor hawdd. Mae'n just mor hawdd chwarae off PC. Ond... Mae set-up fyny PS2 efo network drive a HDMI pound cable. Iawn, dyna call am y C4 rwan. Gyd mi cof... Gyd mi atgofio'n melys iawn o'r gem yma. Yn... Bren fi, hwn ydy'r ail gem gorau yn y gyfres. Efo am Dirt Rally 2, obviously. So... Ia, ocê, ynddo. Ah, can I look at 6? Wei, beth sy'n handi efo gemau ralio ydy, cos mae Cymru yn mor adnabyddus, fatha un o'r llefydd gorau ralio yn y byd, bydd bod o Cymru yn efo. I hwn, de, dwi'n cofyn iawn mae hwn yn Japan, de. Dwi'n really gobeithio mae hwn yn well na 3, cos di hwn ddim yn chwarae'n dda wan. Dwi'n yn gwybod beth nai. Dwi really ddim yn gwybod beth nai. Bydd diddorol i weld am.
Long 4 right. Into 3 right.
Oh. What? They didn't bonnets cam.
Long 4 right. Into 3 right. Into 6 left. 50.
Yep, who am I?
6 right into long 4 left. And 6 right 30, 3 right.
All the time.
Into 2 left. And 6 right 70. Long 2 left tightens. 30 long 6 right tightens to 4 cut slippy.
Who's snappy?
30 3 left. And hairpin right, keep in. 50 3 left, don't cut.
Back in the day,
70.
only quite on manual, obviously.
Long 2 right.
Yeah.
And long 6 left. And 4 left into tunnel. And 4 right. And 6 left 50. 2 right tightens.
Oh, dwi'n lyfio sôn... Dwi'n lyfio sôn injan.
Crest and long 3
Wedi
left.
injan fatha ralio. Dwi'n mynd fatha... So wastad na high revs, dwi'n lyfio.
5 right keep in and 2 left tightens.
Mae fatha Sydd yr apps at gallu cael helpu chdi gysgu. Ar y sŵn injan ralio i fi. 2003 Subaru Impreza dy Bersi. Ei, Derek Ringer, di hwn, pa da cymryd y pes o Derek Ringer? Fo oedd co-driver gynta a ola Colin McRae. Derek Ringer yn legend.
And long 3 right. 70. Crest into 2 right, tightens. 30 long 3 left, tightens.
Dwi'n ffeindio'n grov o Honda.
6 right, 50. 6 left and turn 2 left into narrow. Into 6 left, straight 70. Long 3 right, tightens. And long 3 left, tightens to 2. And 2 right. Into 4 left. And 6 right, don't cut, and 2 left.
Stop.
Into 3 right. 34 left and 2 right into 4 left. 50, tear 1 right and turn 2 left. 50, long 4 right, don't cut, onto bridge. And 4 right. 30, very long 6 left. Into crest and turn 2 right at sign, narrow, don't cut. Into 3 left. And 6 right and 6 left, don't cut. Into 4 right, don't cut. 30, caution 2 left, post outside. And long 6 right, don't cut. And 6 crest into 6 right. 30, caution long 2 left, tightens over finish. And long 6 right
Oh.
to stop.
Woo! Stop the car. So be? Colin McRae 4. O, iawn Craig, dwi'n siŵr bod chdi fel yna. Good. Good. Dim cystal o 1 o 2. Good. Wel, gen i un Colin McRae wneud tan, a wedyn Porsche Challenge wedyn. Which we just hit the PlayStation off. Just gaf fi mynd i nôl hwn o'r cwpwr. Just mynd trwy'r cwpwr. Dwi'n newid sylwi pan mae hwn yn teimlo off. Dwi'n chwarae'r European version. Sgynna fi. Ar 60Hz machine. So... beth i gwyd i PS2 fi. So, mae hynna'n... Thing. So... Hwn ydy'r unrhyw llai a profiad am. A hwn ydy diwedd y daith Colin McRae. Hwn ydy'r Colin McRae dwytha. Ie, sydd eich Colin McRae 1 a 2 gyda Craig. So... Cysylltiad fi efo'r gêm yma di. Nes i adolygu'r gêm yma. I 15, y sioe deledu 15. Ie. So, nes i copio'r gêm gyda nhw i adolygu. A o na rhyw fath o... O'n nhw'n fod i gadael i fi cadw'r gêm. Da be? O'n nhw'n adolygu fe, ie. Os nhw'n gofyn amdano fo'n ôl, de. So, i ddim prynu'r gêm ar y pryd. Ond, ie, nes i reviewio hwn. Lygu hwn. A nes i reid 11 allan o 10 gyda fo. So... Dwi'n meddwl fod y hyn 11 allan o 10. Dwi'n meddwl ni trefod yn controversial. Dwi'n hollol onest. Lle da ni'n mynd? Mae'n Cymraeg di blocio. Wel, dwi heb di bod. Beth yw hwn yn chwarae dda wan? Ond dwi'n meddwl bod yr newid 60-50 Hz yn effio profiad fi fyny. Efo. Wow!
Jump. 72 to left.
Oce, o'n i anghofio am hwnna. Chwarae Porsche Challenge. So dwi jyst eisiau dod hwn o fama. Siwr dwi'n neud yn y lle iawn. Jyst eisiau nôl super legit. PS1 fi. Ac o super legit. PS1 fi fyny. Import content. Standard. Paidwch â sbio ar hyn. None of your concern. Let's go. As you do. Iawn i fam ydy Porsche. Iawn, sgan fi ddim profiad o gwbl o'r gêm yma. Fe ddylai fi'r golon, ond tra beth dwi'n eisiau. Ambience. Porsche Challenge. Da chi'n hapus rhan? hwn ydy'r gêm. Hwn ydy'r rheswm fod Porsche ddim fewn lot o gemau ar y PS1 a PS2. Oherwydd EA a'i blinking contract English. Dwi'n meddwl y deal back in the day, cos dwi'n nabod lot o bobl a hwn di gêm gynta nhw. Dan, Rachel, Beats, Nikita, Marco. Un car sy'n yna. O'n i'n chwarae hwn pan i'n fach neu o'n i'n chwarae games go iawn. Simulation, obviously, i fi. Oce, fydd hwn di ddol o. Okay, mae'n sense gael beth i.
Ready?
Yes, look at this. God, we did bumps, man. Okay, let's be car control. I'm stuck a bit scared. One for 6, no. O'n i'n gwybod sy'n digwydd. Peaks and Tufts, man. Oh my gosh, sy'n ni'n gwybod. Sy'n ni'n gwybod yna. I just not in car mode now. I got a feel on the car one. Oh shit, fell in that. Whoa! So be mae hwnna atgoffa fi o? So rwy'n yma efo N64 VW Beetle Adventure. O, ti'n gorau o gynta? Iawn, ti'n gorau o gynta. Mae'n nuts na Porsche Challenge a un Porsche sy'n cael. Mae hynna bach yn nuts da. A fi... Yn wain yna bod to. car piws ma just arno fi bob yn tro. Oh my god. Car piws na fatha tare. Dwi'n mwyn gweld y car ola yma. O, fa fanna.
Hard luck.
Quicker new in the game. Un go arall.
Ready? Go, go, go!
Dwi'n methu ennill ras gyntaf Porsche Challenge. Allai'n gael hyn yn sim racer de. Oh my god. Yes. O, na, ti'n mynd i cytio fyna. With the corns na, ie. Oh, what a move. Take a dim break. Just coastio. Let's the coast. I'm confused, me. Yeah. Draw distance PS1 truly is something. Dwi'm yn gwybod beth ydi ora chwaith de. Dwi'm yn gwybod beth ydi o.
Oh, come
Oh, come on!
Go, go, go!
Ie, allai ddim chwarae mwy o hwnna. Ti deep? Dwi'n siarad am Ridge Racer gyna. Ridge Racer Type 4 di gorau fi di. Classic Ridge Racer. Dwi jyst wedi chwarae lot o games rasio, ond dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n meddwl beth callai fi wneud o'n living the lifestyle. Oh, yeah, siwr hyn. Ridge Racer!
All
Chips.
right, everyone. 1 minute to go. Are you ready? The engines sound like they're ready to go. Are you all set?
Manual, met.
Racer! All right, everyone.
Spear kill.
1 minute to go. Are you ready? The engines sound like they're ready to go. Are you all set?
Original Ridge Racer.
3, 2, 1, go! Two laps to go.
Ooh.
Next corner stop. Watch yourself.
Game I gyd yn neud efo engine braking. Ti beth ti'n eisiau brec. Ti'n eisiau gears i breicio. Neu pan ti'n bod yn ddws manual yn Ridge Racer. Ah! Ti'n hwyl yna'n thing.
Okay, the final lap. Hang in there.
Oh my god. Ah! Game over, yeah. Come here. Almost. Almost.
Racer. All
Ond de. Fi am. Ni ddim chwarae hen games rasio de, heb chwarae gem yma de. No way. Dwi'n gwrthod. Dwi'n gwrthod. Ia, hyn. O, Namco, ia. Gen pobl cynt, ia. Wel, o'n i fo. Ganddo music da. So, let's talk about Daytona ar y Dreamcast. Mae'n ffordd really specific o chwarae gem yma. Ti'n gwybod trin o fath o steering wheel. Mae gennym fi ddim cos control yn llaff. So, ti'n mynd neud hynna. Ti'n dal o fyny a ti'n mynd fel la. So, yeah. So, ti'n gweld. Oedd hwn yn big deal. Back in the day. Ah, fel ti ddo. So, F1. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Matt, just an Ouija
Hornet. Grasshopper.
style.
Vulcan. Lightning. Hornet. Manual. Manual. Race start.
Race. Oh my god, we're gonna do
Ladies
it.
and gentlemen, start your engines.
Emotional.
Three, two, one, go! Stay low in the turn.
Oh, you love your holding that cat.
Stay low with the turn. Time's extended. 2 laps to go. Stay low with the turn. Your time's extended. This is the final lap. Stay low with the turn. Check your position.
Oh, start. Second.
You place second.
Oh, gewoon. Good game. Good game. That's een good game gaan we gewoon boetstier winnen weer. Boetstier winnen weer. Gewoon. Zo, nu Vidal Colin McKay, het is alweer. Legend. Big man. Nog? Ah. Dreamcast. Dreamcast kan jou winnen, doen laft. Geloof ik wel. Geloof ik niet. Winnen hebben we. Bang! Ach, wacht. Gewoon. Ach, Dominique Games wil in naar dit. Woo! Kan er music there. Nuts. Oh no! No! Hwnnw os yma, gyda hwnna. Gyda hwnna. Sega Rally 2 hwnna. Roedd dwi'n siŵr chwarae siarad o. Hefyd, gwybod sy'n heb di... Lla ddim chwarae 2 heb chwarae 1. Am ysdi na. Amnesty. Come on. Oh. Dwi'n rhoi filter effect o hwn. Yn dod o fo ati. Sega Sport. Dwi'n mwyn gwybod sy'n mae'r CRT effect yn dod ar y sgrin hwnna. Gweithio mae'n edrych yn iawn.
Sega Rally Championship.
Dwi'n teimlo ti angen ac os mae'n edrych o fucking trash. No, dwi ddim yn dda iawn yn gem yma. Ond, ie. Dwi'n dod i...
3, 2, 1, go! Easy right,
Oce, lle mae hwn yn...
easy left. Easy right.
Lle mae hwn yn anodd i
Over
sbio.
jump. Easy right. Long medium right. Checkpoint. Easy right. Over jump. Easy left. Easy left, easy right. Very long easy right, maybe.
O, hynna, it's cool.
Finish!
First, stats.
Three, two, one, go! Very long, easy right. Long, easy right, maybe. Very long, easy left. Checkpoint. Medium left. Medium left, maybe.
Oedd hwn yn gêm yn cael chwarae yn arcade lot. Yn cofio arcades.
Caution, hairpin right. Checkpoint.
Mae'n fucking awesome yna. Mae yna graphical downgrades o'r arcade version.
Long, medium
Which oedd yn
right.
cael ei power gan yr Model 2 arcade board.
Easy right.
Da i gyd yn gwybod yna, ond...
Finish!
Okay. Yeah, House of the Dead yn ymwedig, o hwnna'n bod Kelly.
3, 2, 1.
O Time Crisis 4, dwi eisiau cofio Time Crisis 4
Left.
yn arcade Aberystwyth.
Easy left. Easy right. Easy left. Checkpoint. Take left. Medium right, maybe. Wow. Long, easy left.
Dwi'n gofio digon amser yn hwnna.
Caution, hairpin right. Wow. Long, medium left. Checkpoint. Easy left. Easy left, maybe. Medium left. Medium right. Checkpoint. Easy left, maybe. Easy left, maybe. Wow. Long, medium right. Caution, K left. Easy left.
Come on!
Finish!
Ah! Ia, oedd pethau fel recoil yr Aberystwyth hefyd. Sniper Elite VR yn clas. Ti'am streamio Sniper Elite VR. Morgan. Dwi'n dweud. The off and off. The off and off, de. Chwarae. So. O, capiau sydd o Thieves ar yndi. Dwi dal wedi gwneud yr Dal wedi gwneud yr Be? Na Iwan, ie. Na Iwan. There we go. Oedd iawn chwarae Dirt Rally 2, goffan off. Ond... Dwi angen gwneud yr training mode yn do. Sea of Thieves. Sea of... Then... Be, na i chwarae hanner awr o Sea of Thieves rwan. Dangos di hefyd. Are you... Dych ddim eisiau dangos hwnna. Pam ddim eisiau dangos hwnna? Okay. Game capture. Mae'n postio down y chat. Dwi'n meddwl ceg ti down y chat. Sgynnych chi profiad o'r gêm yma? Dwi'n mynd i gael piss cyn hyn. Yeah, okay, the thing. Wait. Set sail. Yeah, vibe dwi'n cael o'r gêm yma ydi... Ti'n... Unau'n lyfio fo. Neu ti ddim. So ddim llawer o fatha... Shef. So ddim llawer o... Middle ground. Look at them graphics. Look at that popping. Popping graphics. Next gen. Yeah, Vertigo.
You look a little worse for wear, my friend. You must be on quite the journey. I should eat something if I were you. A full belly can do wonders for your spirits. Once you're in good health, we'll speak properly.
Go and cook a banana. Look at that black banana.
There, you look better already. Maybe even strong enough to reach the Sea of Thieves. Don't look so surprised. These days they call me the Pirate Lord. But back when I discovered this place, I was just a bold explorer like you.
Just listen again.
I dreamt of finding uncharted waters filled with treasures.
Ydy
and
hwn yn
rife with
first
danger,
person unig?
where every sunrise brought a new adventure. You've been brave to make it this far. Not many do. Now you've one last crossing to make. You'll want some trusty steel at your side, though. There's a sword in those trees whose owner doesn't seem to need it anymore.
Ai! Eto record? fanna. Det var chicken. Du går bita... Du går och koka chicken. Eller bita chicken amrod. Du vet? Let's find out. Chicken amrod. Okay. Wow, ben dit hier weer met die graphics, man? I did. Oh no.
There's far more to being a pirate than a blade in your hand and a love of other people's money. It's about finding your way through ancient caverns by lamplight, digging up long-lost treasures, and raising a frothing great tankard of grog when you live to tell the tale.
Tankard of grog, yeah! Ship sighted!
For all
Enemy
that,
here.
you'll need the right equipment.
Repair the
You
ship.
can start by taking
Need
this
help.
old shovel. I stowed a few belongings around here back in the day. The map will show you the way.
Okay. Should du me dire... Oh. X marks the spots. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Yay! Lekker. Jullie wat nieuwe honderd. Oh. Bo to dwi'n meddwl am Sea of Thieves de, dwi jyst yn meddwl amdan boi in between us na, cos mae'n streamio lot de, a mae bod to ar y blinking front page de, a... Yn annoying.
My old chest. Let's see if she still hides her secrets.
Fi fe peniata dwi'n cytuno efo. O, Conkers na. Gyda Conkers wedi bin. Na. So dwi'n gael sword fi allan?
A fine weapon. She'll serve you well out there.
Allai ddim anghytuno mwy efo chdi, Morgan, amdan Conkers.
There, now you look like a true pirate. There's plenty more to see, so why not stretch your legs and explore? I'll be here when you're ready to leave.
Ydw i angen explorio, ta gai ffwcio yma. Okay. Dwi'n... Sut dwi'n cael weapon fi allan? O, na fo. Subnautica, this ain't. Arr. Ie. Time Splitters, Greg, dwi'n cytuno. Dwi'n cytuno efo chdi. Di rare ddim yn rare. Dim mwy, de. Ti'n rhaid i gorau nath nhw'n Battletoads hefyd, sy'n absolutely awful. Na, Conkers. Dwi'n neud beth yma. Morgan, stop erigi. Stop erigi, Morgan. Ti'n gwybod... Ti'n gwybod yn iawn beth i... What? Beth yma? Dwi'n holl stwff yma, dwi'n methu bigo fyny fe yma. O. Oce, ydy'r gêm yma efo fall damage? Llydd rhywun yn y chat confirmio os dwi fa yma. Yndi, mae efo fall damage. Dylid allan am, eisiau fod stori reit dda. Food required. Ydy fi food is... O? Ydy hwn... Pa upload speed ti'n cael? Beth ti'n feddwl? Pam ti eisiau gwybod am upload speed fi? O, mae gennym fi 18, dwi'n gwybod gennym fi yma. Six meg ti angen i Twitch cofio. Faint y hir hwn angen bod i gwcio? 6 meg di mynd, os ti'n mynd dros 6 meg upload ar Twitch, ti'n smalu, ti'n gwybod mwyn nhw ti, cos mae Twitch yn mynd, maen nhw'n capio o 6. Os ti'n gyrru, gallu gyrru mwy na 6 i nhw, ond i Twitch mynd yn byd o'ch nhw dros 6, de. So, 6 angen. Mae parsec da yn 10, a parsec oce yn 720. So, bod ti a fi yn ei stwff, a dwi'n rhoi parsec i chdi, dwi'n gallu rhoi parsec a Twitch ar 18, a general internet use of it, so... Faint y hir dwi'n gwybod yma i spare chicken yma. Ooh. Congrats ar y tŷ, de, Morgan. I lle ti symud i Gogledd Cymru? God, hwn dal yn fawr. Oh, full 500 hwnna'n. Yeah, 60 di download fi. Ydy mwya dwi'n gallu cael o fama. Mae hwnna'n... Be di upload chdi? Ydw dwi'n gorfod cael byncyn... O, 30 meg fydd i... Ia, mae hwnna, ti'n hollol ffain. Mae hwnna yn... Ia. Cwestiwn dwl arall am y gêm yma. Ydy'r byd yn finite, as in, hwn yw'r byd, a mae pob yn byw yn y byd yma? Ydy o'n massive open world? Ta ti'n loadio fewn i llefydd? Neu ydy o'n cael ei generatio... Oh, general stuff fel la? Dwi'n gwybod. Dwi'n hwnna gyda da. O ti'n dweud fynd ar y gwch, ond dwi wedi darllen 2 journal allan o 10. Ti'n meddwl yna 8 journal ar ôl? Dwi'n chi, ti'n gwybod beth ffwc ti'n neud o hwn? Dwi'n neud beth o hwn. Na, cwch. Chdi sy'n iawn. Be dwi'n pwynt ydy'r efo'r chicken ma. Dyna fi. Ydych chi'n chicken ma ddim yn cwcio. Y be? Sortio wedyn.
Well now, I say you're as ready as you'll ever be for what's ahead. Allow me to show you the path. The shroud is beginning to part, but you have one more task before your journey continues. You may be ready to sail, but your ship still needs repairs. Go and tend to her wounds.
Ah. Seriously. Go. Board the ship. Press X to set on the sail length row at the back of the ship. Fuck, it's a kid with. Use cannon. Don't you call them? Okay. Use wood to repair the base mast. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Oce, dwi'n mynd ar y ffocin môr. Barod amdani. Dwi'n meddwl hwnna di canol, ie? Mae'r FOV bach yn agos yndi. Allai newid hwnna gwbl. Allai... Dwi angen stopio fan wan. Te dwi angen mynd wan. Dyma'n glir iawn lle dwi eisiau mynd, dwi'n. Ffordd ma dwi'n cymeryd, ie? Dwi'n buried treasure na bydd y fama, na guys. They're really stupid with the fama. Oh, smear. Oh, man! Dwi'n neud beth really stupid, wan. Just os dwi'n jumpio'r dŵr, wan. Ydw i sydd yn fucked. Ydw i sydd yn colli bod dim. Sut dwi'n cael cwch mi'n ôl. Dwi'n really tempted to jumpio off yr ochr, wan. I weld be fysa'n digwydd. Oh, shit, shit, shit! Shit, shit, shit! Na! Na, di dysgu fi cael fucking hwyl yn y gem ynddo. Be dwi angen clywed llonger. Oh my god. Oh, mae gen i fi cannonball. Ah, that's it! Oh, dwi just methu gweld o. Go. Come on. Dwi'n mynd i fynd rhan. Dwi'n gwybod that make your own adventure a stwff fel on. Sut ydw i yn safio gem? Beth os dwi'n cael gem o'r rhan? 10 gloch. Ydw i'n land ahoy! That's what we're doing there. We've got land, haven't we? That's a land. Help! Yeah, Craig, that ain't gonna be a thing efo fi. The trin yn ei fory. Xbox Game Studios, the biggest pirates of them all, am I right? Rare, the biggest pirates of them all, am I right? Mae coch yn ei coch yn ei? Dwi'n mynd i controlio fo? Say off the others. Say off the others. Say off. Efo. Oh, hynol. This is the castaway camp on any outpost and examine the journal. Ydy bobl gallu fatha... Ydy hwn yn PvP? Ydy bobl gallu siancio fi? Dyna. Dwi wedi llwyth o gem ar SSD a mae gen i internet rili da. Fy'n y ffocin bollocks.
Another new face. That was quite the celebration when you arrived. I'm not surprised you don't remember it. The Pirate Lord told me to expect you. I hope you're prepared for the adventure that awaits, and the danger. You'll need gold if you're to prosper, but there are ways to see to that. Several trading companies have a presence across the Sea of Thieves. Here on this outpost, you'll meet with the Gold Hoarders, the Merchant Alliance, and the Order of Souls. Don't be fooled. These aren't the stuffy bureaucrats you're used to from the wider world. They'll readily pay pirates who are willing to take on work. Make yourself known, and they'll offer you voyages to prove yourself. Think of them as an initiation, or a way to make coin, if you prefer. You'll find your ship waiting outside, as well as food and supplies, if you know where to look. When you're ready for a greater challenge, come back and speak with me again.
Dwi'n gwrando yn byd oedd o'n dweud dwi'n. Purchase. Pirates code fi, yeah. Look after number 1. Dwi'n stwff yma. Pam gadael fi neu hyn? Os di hyn yn breaker immersion, just paid o gadael fi risod allan, ie? Pam dwi'n mynd i dwi'n stwff? Di hwn? Dwi'n Dyna. Dwi'n gobeithio ti newydd yn gwybod beth yn ei fan i gysgu fi. Absolutely.
I need a very, very large drink.
Okay. Wow, di o ddim yn... Ydw i eisiau Ashen Chest Stash Voyage. O, pethau din. Maps. Iawn, oce. Be di general loop o game, man? Be di general vibe o game, man? Gold Hoarder. Purchased. O, dwi'n mynd i fanna. Speak to the gold hoarder in the tent. On. Ginger nuts, huh?
I've got some gold.
I got some gold. Hello, I'm Harry the Hoarder. And like my thrifty colleagues, I just love sharing out as much gold as possible.
And the nice son of it.
Next. A quest for glittering gold.
I was doing role player.
Counting your coins.
Pam, mae hwn yn cymryd mor hir. Gwyf fi internet call. Mae'n RSSD. No, dwi'n mwyn bod fi'n eisiau fyna fan.
Tell others I've got gold for them.
I got gold.
Lladd chdi? O, chdi sy'n y loading screens.
You have questions, I think.
Dwi ddim yn neud llais yna. Ei banio off Twitch. Ydw i efo NPC.
Your destiny is not here.
Ydw i efo NPC. Pobl a cwch fi. Said just video. Yes. Diolch am y tip, Craig. Teimlo fatha dwi'n... What? Seriously? Okay.
Here to seek our wisdom.
Yeah, my name is Madame Olivia of the Order of Souls. I have been crying. That's why my makeup is running. A dwi'n gallu just cymryd hyn I gyd.
My work requires solitude.
Pan beth dwi'n neud. Wood. O, beth I hwnna? Che. Hey, Mr. Dan the Man. Fod dim yn iawn. Dwi yn literally off on the stream yn munud. Just gonna climb beth dwi'n neud. Dwi'n bit o leeches? Mae ni... nhw ddim esbonio fi beth I hyn I gyd. Aha! Sprint. O, beth arall I fi wneud ar y ynys ma cyn I fi. Dim ond dwi'n neud bod dim ond o. Iawn, oge, dwi'n mynd I adael I fanna. We leeches for days, run there. Yeah. Dwi'n mynd i adael i yma. Sut ydw i yn... A, dw. Anyway. Yeah, ideal. Yeah. Diolch. Ie, so dwi'n cael Sea of Thieves fori ar sianel yn chwarae. Ww, cem clicio. Ie, wel eich chi fori. Dwi'n chwarae lot o Call McKay to laid back, gwahanol. Wel eich chi, pryd wel eich chi? Hurra. Ww, shit.